Hello everyone, today we will be solving the CPT June 2018 question paper. We are solving questions which came from the quantitative section of the paper. Today we will be starting off with question number 61. So in question number 61 it has been said that if the roots of the equation x cube minus 15x square minus kx minus 45 is equal to 0 and the roots of this equation are in AP, then the roots are option A 259, option B 159, option C 369 and option D 5, 10 and 15. So these are the four options. Let us assume that the roots are in the, since this is a cubic equation, so this is three roots. So let the roots be a minus d, a and a plus d. Okay, since these are in AP, so we have considered the roots in this structure. So therefore sum of roots will be equal to a minus d plus a plus, this will be equal to thrice of a, and here sum of roots is basically equal to the negative of the coefficient of x square. So this will be equal to minus of minus 15, and that will give us that thrice a is equal to 15, and that will give us that a is equal to 5. So this is the first thing. And also we will also find out the product of the roots. Product of roots will be given by a minus d into a plus d. So if we take a on one side, then a minus d into a plus d will be basically giving us a square minus d square. And this product of roots, as you can see from the equation, is equal to minus of 45. So this will be equal to minus 45. Okay, so now we know that a is equal to 5. So that implies that 5 into 25 minus d square is equal to minus of 45. So this will ultimately give us the 25 minus d square is equal to minus of 9, and that will give us that d square is equal to 36, and that will give us that d is equal to plus minus 6. Plus minus 6. So not plus minus 6 rather. Okay. Okay, so there was a mistake that I committed. I took that the product of roots is equal to minus of 45, but that was not the case. It was rather plus 45. Since the product of the root is basically, then basically we can say the negative of the constant term. So this will be equal to plus 45, and again we have plus 9 over here. So d square will be not 36, but rather d square will be equal to, let me rub it out so that I can write it in a very clear manner. So d square will be equal to 16, and that will imply that d will be equal to plus minus 4. Okay, so let us take that d is equal to, let d is equal to 4. If you take minus also, it will be the same thing. So the terms, as you can see over here, a minus d, that is 5 minus 4 will be 1. Then we have a, we have 5, and 5 plus 4 we have 9. And if we had taken d equal to minus of 4, so it would have been 9, 5 and 1. It would have been the same thing. So as you can see, this gives us that option B is the correct option over here. So this is the 159 is the roots of the equation. So now let's move on to the next question.